Sarah Mitchell used to spend 3 hours every Sunday night with a spreadsheet, a stack of receipts, and a cup of coffee that always went cold before she finished. She was tracking every dollar, trying to figure out why her savings account never seemed to grow. Then one day, she stopped doing that spreadsheet ritual completely, not because she gave up, but because she didn't need to anymore. An app on her phone was already doing it for her. It noticed 3 subscriptions she hadn't used in months. It caught a price hike she never would have spotted. It moved $40 into savings the moment her paycheck landed, before she even had a chance to spend it. Sarah didn't build any of that. She just downloaded an app, and artificial intelligence did what used to take her 3 hours in about 3 seconds. This isn't the future. This is happening right now in millions of American households. Let's break down exactly how AI is quietly rewriting the way you bank, save, invest, and borrow, and how you can use it to actually get ahead. First, investing. Robo-advisors have knocked down a wall that used to keep everyday people out of professional money management. It used to take $250,000 and a 1% annual fee just to get a human advisor. Now, AI builds you a diversified portfolio based on your age, income, and goals, often with no minimum balance. It keeps rebalancing automatically as the market shifts. A 24-year-old with just $50 can now access the same portfolio strategy that used to be reserved for private banking clients. Second, budgeting. This is the tool most people are already using without realizing how smart it's become. AI doesn't just show you a pie chart of last month's spending anymore. It predicts what you're about to spend. It knows your car insurance renews in November. It knows you tend to overspend the week after payday. It sends you real-time nudges before the damage is done, instead of a month later when it's too late to fix. Third, and this one's serious, fraud. Scammers are using AI too. Voice cloning can imitate a family member's voice using just a few seconds of audio. Fake bank messages now look almost identical to the real thing. But banks are fighting back with the same technology. AI fraud detection systems monitor transactions in real time and can freeze a card within milliseconds if something doesn't look right. Biometric login and passkeys are becoming the new standard because passwords can be stolen, but your fingerprint is much harder to fake. Fourth, lending. When you apply for a credit card or a loan, there's a good chance AI is helping decide whether you get approved. It can help people with limited credit history receive a fairer evaluation. But it's not perfect. These systems learn from historical data, and past lending biases can sometimes carry over into modern algorithms. If you're denied, don't assume the decision is final. Ask questions, compare lenders, and explore your options. Now here's the important part. This isn't all upside. These tools rely on a huge amount of your personal financial data, so always understand how an app uses your information before connecting your bank account. And don't let AI replace your own financial knowledge. You should still know where your money is going, how much debt you have, and what interest rates you're paying. So what should you actually do this week? Number 1. Turn on biometric login and transaction alerts for every purchase in your banking app. It costs nothing, and it's one of the best defenses against fraud. Number 2. If you're not already using a budgeting app with predictive alerts, connect your accounts today. 10 minutes of setup can help you avoid overspending before it happens. Number 3. If investing has always felt intimidating, consider starting with a robo-advisor. You can begin with whatever amount you can comfortably afford. No personal financial advisor required. Sarah Mitchell doesn't spend her Sunday nights with a spreadsheet anymore. Her money moves automatically, quietly, and efficiently while she spends that time actually living her life. That's the real promise of AI in personal finance. Not robots taking over your finances, but less friction, fewer mistakes, smarter decisions, and more of your time back. In 2026, AI isn't coming to your bank account. It's already there. The only question left is whether you're going to make it work for you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical financial insights, and let me know in the comments. Which AI finance tool have you actually started using?